welcome back to Texas Mommy. It's Amanda, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my white rice. First off, when I'm getting prepared, I make sure I have my pot ready to go, and I actually use 3 cups of water. So as you see here, there is 3 cups of water right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my back one back here. So let's go ahead and turn that one on to, I actually, at the beginning when I want the water to boil, I will put it on close to high, as you see here. So I'm going to put the pot here, and I'm going to actually at this point just add in my water. And to that I'm going to add in the my salt, which we use this HEB Himalayan pink salt is what we use. So I'm going to add some of this in here and wait for this water to boil. So now that your water is having a royal boil, as you see mine does, you see all these bubbles coming up. Now it is time that it is ready to add in your rice. And so I have right here 2 cups of rice that I have already measured out, and I don't use much fancy rice. I just use this one right here. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but it's just the enriched long grain rice that we use. And as you can see, we make rice a lot because we don't have much left. So like I said, you are going to get your rice that you have measured out 2 cups, and you're going to pour it in here. And what I like to do myself to make sure it is all down, because as you see part of that rice is up, I just take my whisk that I have right here, and I just stir it around just to make sure everything is within the water and everything is sitting in there nicely. So what you're looking for is you're going to want this to come right back up to roiling boil. And as you see here, it's starting to form. You see the little bubbles coming, and it's white. So once it gets fully boiled, which should not take very long, as you see, look, it's already, I have the bubbles coming up. You're going to get your lid, which I have right here, and you're going to put it on your pot. You're going to turn your fire to in between medium, like I guess half medium and low, because medium is over here. And then on my timer, I'm going to put my timer for 21 minutes. And if not 21 minutes, this is going to cook. Do not take the lid off, and I will see you back in 21 minutes. Once your timer has gone off on 21 minutes, you want to remove your pot from the stove onto a different surface that is cool. So as you see here, I simply just moved it over to the other side. And you want to go ahead and set your timer you have over here for 5 minutes. You want to let it cool down for 5 minutes, so do not take off the lid. Leave it on. Don't touch it. Don't open it. I know it gets tempting. Just let it sit for the 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes are done, then your rice should be done, and I will show you how mine looks. So continue watching. Okay, so now that our 5-minute timer has gone off, let's go ahead and remove the lid. And as you see, the steam coming out. And when you move, you see it is nice and fluffy. It is not sticky. It is not crunchy. It is nice, fluffy rice that you can enjoy with you and your family. So you can make this. You can make this when you're just needing a side. I know a lot of people like to have white rice when they have, you know, sour chicken, the sweet and sour chicken, or tacos, or any other kind, and they need this is just, you know, a real simple side dish that you can make for you and your family. So thanks for joining me as I made my white rice. I hope it's helpful for you and your family. It's a very easy dish, so leave a comment down below if you made it and you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Don't also forget, if you have any questions or any other suggestions, maybe there's something else that you might want a recipe for, or you just are curious how I make it in my household, leave a comment of that down below as well. So hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. Have a good night.